If you want to sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses, then your website is the most important part of your business. But here's the real problem. Most beginners don't know which platform to choose. Hostinger, Wix, or Shopify. Which one is actually best for you? In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way so you can pick the right platform and start selling faster. Let's start with Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the most beginner-friendly and budget-friendly website builders available right now. If you are just starting your digital product journey and you don't have any technical skills, this is a great place to begin. It comes with an AI website builder that can create your website in minutes, plus a simple drag-and-drop editor so you can customize everything easily. You also get hosting and sometimes a free domain included, which makes it very cost-effective. The main advantage here is speed and simplicity. You can launch your digital product store very quickly. However, as your business grows, you may feel limited because it's more basic compared to other platforms. Now let's talk about Wix, which is all about design and flexibility. Wix is perfect for creators, freelancers, and personal brands who want their website to look professional and visually attractive. It offers thousands of templates and a very smooth drag-and-drop system so you can design your pages exactly the way you want, without coding. It also supports digital product selling, so you can easily upload ebooks, courses, or downloadable files. The strong point of Wix is design freedom, but the downside is that it can become more expensive when you start adding advanced features or scaling your business. Finally, we have Shopify, which is the most powerful and professional platform among the three. Shopify is built specifically for selling, so everything is optimized for e-commerce and conversions. It handles payments, checkout, product management, and automation very smoothly, making it perfect for serious digital product businesses. If you want to build a long-term brand and scale your income, Shopify is the best choice because it can grow with your business. The only drawback is that it costs more than the other two, but in return, you get a complete business system. So to make it simple, if you are a beginner and want something cheap and easy, Hostinger is the best start. If you care about design and want a beautiful website, Wix is the right choice. But if you are serious about building a real digital product business and scaling it into a brand, Shopify is the most powerful option. Now the choice depends on your goal. Start small, test your idea, and then scale up when you are ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Digital Product Hustle for more simple guides on building and growing your digital product business. See you in the next one.